Hello, welcome to Kingsmill Studios. We're just going to take you on a tour around so that we can calm some nerves and show potential people who want to move in where we're at with the building. I mean, we're not finished, but we're nearly there. This is your lovely kitchen space. Of course, yes, we just need to take the wrappers off and, polish things up a bit, but this will be your kitchen. State of the art. This is going to be your hob, and your microwave oven over there, some nice space, your fridge, right, fridge freezer, perfect space. And the kitchen is very much separate to your amazing bedroom, right? Welcome to your future bedroom. This is going to be where you're going to be studying and also chilling out. Your TV over there and your couch over there. Brilliant. Space is just amazing. I can't even touch the walls, and that is brilliant for a studio. Wonderful views from outside. Lovely river view. I mean, you wake up and you have such a lovely place, to live in. We are close to the university. 5 minutes walk, literally crossing the bridge, and you're right there. I'm going to show you our state-of-the-art bathroom. I mean, a lot of people always take emphasis on the bathroom, and we have created a high quality, high standard facility for yourself. This is your bathroom. This is what it's going to look like. State-of-the-art, immaculate, amazing. Somewhere you would like to be, So that's what we want for our customers. We want them to feel like this is high quality studio, but also we've got great entertainment in the building itself. We've got a cinema room, we've got a lounge so you can socialize. So it's not secluded, you still have that student feeling and socializing. So I hope you're just as excited as we are to welcome you into Kingsmill Studios. So, I'm going to press start and we're going to start walking, and I'll show you just how close we are. So, start, and here we go. Let's go. Which is a really nice walk. Look at all this nature and loveliness. Clock is still on. Evidence, right? I mean, how nice is this? But clock is still on. And we're only at 45 seconds. Just saying. Lovely views. I mean, amazing. Who doesn't want to walk here to uni? Brilliant. Clock is still on. 1 minute. 1 minute. We're literally facing the university already. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Just saying. This is the uni. Literally opposite the university. I'm stopping the watch now. Stop. 1 minute, 29 seconds, and 84. I mean, how close can you get?